Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome back to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about professions and describe what people can and could do using simple, everyday English. Now, let's watch Talking About Professions and Abilities.
What do you do, Uma?
I am an office assistant.
What can you do in your job?
I can use a computer, send emails, and organize files.
That's good. Could you do these things before?
No, I couldn't. In my last job, I couldn't use a computer.
What was your last job?
I was a shop assistant. I could talk to customers, but I couldn't write emails.
And what can you do now?
Now I can write emails and make simple reports.
That's great progress. Can you speak English at work?
Yes, I can speak basic English now.
Could you speak English before?
No, I couldn't speak English before this job.